These designs are generated using AI.
Open MidJourney.com. Click on the Join the Beta button and you will be redirected to Discord. Click on Accept Invite. Now you are in a MidJourney Discord server. Choose one of the newbies channel. Here you can generate any AI image.
Type /imagine then some details of the website. Don't forget to add words, UI and UX. Press enter. Here is the result. It has created 4 different designs. Let's upscale second design. Press U2. Here it is. Let's design another page. It's looking awesome. After upscaling second design, this is what we get. Here is another design of a website. The link to the MidJourney website is in the description. Thank you for watching.